Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. I have a lot of work to do in my studio today, so I thought I would take you along with me. So this is going to be a vlog style video and even a watch me work. So this is going to be a jam-packed video. If you're interested to see all the work I'm going to do today, just keep on watching. Okay, so I do have my lights already set up for filming my watch me work. I got in some more Ugly Duckling gel polishes and some clear jelly stamper products. So I kind of want to deal with those first and put them away, and that way I don't have clutter on my desk for when I redo my own nails. Okay, to start with, I just wanted to quickly show you what I picked up. I'm not going to go into great detail on it because I do have to do my own nails, so I don't want this video to be super long.
And apparently I stopped talking, so I have to do a voiceover for the rest of this video. So the two outside plates I did get from Creata Beauty, and the pick of the patch I got from Clear Jelly Stamper right here in the sunny Okanagan. So this is a really cute fall stamping plate. And I think I'm going to use this plate for a design on my nails at the end of this video. I just think this is so cute, so fall. There's so much you can do with this one. This next plate isn't necessarily fall, but you can use it in the fall. It's from the Grunge series. I wanted it for that crackled look that I just pointed at, and also this wood grained look, or the wood grained image right there. I thought that would look really nice for fall nails. All of this you could put on using fall nails. And then the next one is CGS 190. Some really soft images, paisleys, what do you call them? Wispy little swirls, wispy swirls. And then I picked up a bunch of Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polishes, some fall tones, some neutral tones, just to add to the collection that I already have. So in no particular order, the first one we're going to look at is number 79, Vintage Blush, which is a really soft blush pink. Vintage Lavender, number 78, which is a soft lavender with a gray undertone. Vintage Julep, I think this is pronounced, number 83, which is a really soft sage green. Number 82, Vintage Twist, which is a soft yellow. It's not really a pastel yellow because there's a gray undertone to it. Vintage Linen, number 84, a nice soft neutral or a nude color. Next, I picked up number 89, which is called Green Olive, which is a light green, great for fall. Number 91, Pickled Beet, which is kind of a, not really a burgundy, but a deep pink. Vintage Denim, number 80, which is a nice soft blue, medium to light blue. Vintage Coral, number 81, and all these colors would look great for fall nails. You Are My Sunshine, number 8. I actually had this color already and it dried up, so I needed a new one. Number 90, Pimento. This is a great fall color. Almost a soft rust brown. This one's really pretty. Okay, next on my list of things to do is to label my swatch sticks. Now, I showed you these colors from Ugly Duckling last week. So this is my brother label maker, and I got it from Staples, and I'm just printing out all my labels for the swatch sticks so I don't forget what these colors are called. I usually do this right after I film a video, but for some reason I didn't do that this time. That's not like me. So yeah, this is just me working, putting labels on swatch sticks. And if I'm printing off a bunch of labels for my swatch sticks, I like to do it all at once because I use less tape that way. I've had this label maker for, oh gosh, 4 or 5 years, and I used to do it one at a time, and I was wasting so much tape that I was going through it so fast, and the cartridges aren't cheap. I actually did find a 3-pack of cartridges for $17 or $18 off Amazon, and I did mention this in one of my last videos. So here I've got all my labels done, and I'm going to I'm not going to describe what these colors are that I got in from Ugly Duckling, but I will show you them. I'll I'll swatch them. I'm not going to do any comparisons, but these are just the colors that I picked up to add to my collection. They are not new in a new collection or anything, just colors that I didn't have that I wanted more fall-like tones. Okay, I just have to say, how pretty is this green, or is it a teal? It's got a gray undertone and it is just stunning. Okay, I'll just let you watch the rest of these colors. They're really pretty. Okay, this next color, number 101, is a really gorgeous glitter. It's a silver glitter with a hint of, I'm gonna say, like a white gold. What I'm wearing on my thumb is number 103, and number 101 is kind of the same consistency where it's almost like a leaf-like gel. Okay, number 114. This is a color that I have been looking for, that perfect fall blue, and I saw one of our Creata Beauty ambassadors, Sarah, use this on a client and posted on her Instagram, and I thought, this is the blue I need to have. So Sarah made me buy it. Okay, and here's all the ugly duckling colors I swatched. So some really nice neutral colors, some fall tones with one little pop of color with that coral and a kind of a white gold silvery leaf-like glitter gel. So on this ring is all my new ugly duckling colors I have that I show to my clients, like the colors that are new. So I'm just going to put these new to me colors on this ring, and then probably in about a month or 3 weeks I will reorganize them and put them on, like I'll put all the greens together, all the neutrals together, all the corals together, and so on. So as time goes on, I am building up my ugly duckling collections. So right now I've got a lot of fall earthy tones, and then come the spring and summer I'll add more of the brighter colors. Now we have to put all this stuff away. I decided to put my clear jelly stamping polishes on a rack. I find that I'm using them more with them displayed. When they were in a drawer, I forgot about them and I never did much stamping or art that way. So I'm finding now putting these colors on top of my Alex drawer unit, I am using them more. And I'm organizing them by rainbow colors, not numerically. And I got this 5-tiered acrylic rack off Amazon, and I will put the link in my description box in case you're looking for something like this as well. Okay, on to the gel polishes. So this is my Ugly Duckling gel polish drawer, and I'm just putting them in numerical order. And I actually quite like watching this sped up 4 times, or is it 8 times? I can't remember what I did here, but it's mesmerizing, and it's peaceful, and it's hypnotic, and I could watch this section of the video over and over. I actually don't mind doing this part of the organization when I'm finished with my colors. When I get new colors in, I love putting them in numerical order. And if I stop talking, you too could be hypnotized. Okay, let's move on to the design on my nails. I've already put the gel on and finished filed. I'm just pushing back the cuticles here, so when I put on the gel polish, I get more of a closer, I can get the color closer to the cuticles. So I'm using number 114 on the pinky, index finger, and thumb, and I'm using number 50 on the ring finger, and I'm going to use Light Elegance Buttercream Polymer Pal on the middle finger. After the first layer, I am going to cure for about 45 seconds, put a second coat on, and cure for another 30 to 45 seconds. Then I'm going to take number 42 stamping polish and putting it over this plaid image on the pick of the patch stamping plate and placing it on my ring finger. Number 40, which is, what is this one called? Pickled Beet. If you use different colors, you can use this image for Christmas nails or winter nails. That's why I wanted this plate, because you could use it for more seasons than just fall. And I apologize for being totally out of frame for this next part. I was concentrating so hard on what design I wanted and where I wanted to place it on the nail that I was just in the zone and I wasn't paying attention to the camera at all. Now I'm going to use my Stick It from Ugly Duckling and place some gems on the middle finger and the ring finger, and I'm using Swarovski crystals. I don't know the sizes and I don't know the name of the color, but I wanted something kind of in that burgundy or rose shade to go with the Pickled Beet stamping polish that I used, and I think it just kind of brings some more color to the design, so it's not just all neutral and like zombie-landish. You guys know what I mean, right? So after I've placed all the crystals where I want them, I will cure for a full about 45 seconds. And I find that with using Stick It, the gems don't move around. They stay right where I want them, so I'm able to do 3 or 4 nails at a time. And if you're afraid that you're gonna bump the nail and move the crystals, you could give it a flash cure. So right now what I'm doing is I'm taking my Opera No Wipe top coat and I'm going around the crystals. You don't want to go on top of the crystals with the top coat because you will dull them. So I'm just kind of going all the way around just to secure the crystals in place so they don't go anywhere. Now normally I would use Ugly Duckling No Wipe top coat, or if I'm using Light Elegance, I'll use Super Shiny or the P+. I wanted to test out the Opera No Wipe top coat to see how it holds up and how durable it is, testing it out on myself first on top of 2 different brands. So I have to say that it worked really well. It was super shiny and I quite liked it. Then after I've applied the top coat, I will cure this top coat for 30 seconds. And there you go. That is my fall design, little watch me work for you guys using some products that I got in from Creata Beauty, and yet another quick, easy design that you guys could do at home that you don't need to struggle with. I love using stamping plates for artwork. It's so easy, it's so fun, and clear jelly stamper with the layering. Once you get the knack of it, it is so much fun. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys!